Navika, since you also cover a lot of policies and government, and so does Smita and her organization, they would know better than most. In fact, many of Smita's reporters report on this on a very regular basis, that Mr. Mandavia has been taking regular meetings to review the preparedness, not just in terms of surveillance, but in terms of availability of drugs, availability of beds, oxygen, all the other requirements that we once felt that need to be ramped up, and to ensure that all of this is in place. Now, that is absolutely not as TRP driving perhaps, so that does not get covered to that extent. I'm not trying to take a pot shot at anybody, I'm just being genuine about it, but that kind of work goes on all the time in the government system, particularly under Mr. Mansukh Mandavia, who's working almost 15 hours, 16 hours a day. So there is no limit, there is no problem in that. But why did this particular instance come up? And with all the genuineness at my command, let me tell you that there were certain public representatives who raised the issue that COVID cases, including a chief minister, a sitting chief minister, testing positive out of one event. Now that event needs to have special guidelines, and the chief minister was sensitized, was told that please take precaution, not just for that event but any other event. So even if our party is doing a similar event there, that also has to come into the same ambit. Where is the problem here? So this is Navika, we should not forget.
The problem is, was a letter written to Mr. Punia? Was a letter written to Mr. Punia?
Just 10 seconds more. Very good. Very good question. Very good question. Is Mr. Punia the administrative head of Rajasthan?
Is Mr. Rahul Gandhi?
He has to follow whatever the state government of Ashok Gehlot decides. If the madam, let me explain it to you again. Navika, just give me 15 seconds. I won't take more than that. Mr. Ashok Gehlot has, one second, please bear with me. Mr. Ashok Gehlot, as the chief minister and the head of the state, has been sensitized about all the events in his state. He has to ensure that everything applies, whether it's Bharat Jodo or any other event that is taking place in the state. Rahul Gandhi is the foremost convener of the Bharat Jodo Yatra, which is starting to become a super spreader event, and therefore he has been sensitized that he must also personally ensure, because the entire event is more like a Rahul ke piche chalo yatra. So Rahul Gandhi has also been told that since you are the convener or the main mascot of this event, please take the adequate precautions. What wrong have we done? And let me tell you, Navika, politics वो होती है जब यहाँ पर कुछ लोग, जब उनको कहा जाता है कि we will manage the vaccine situation, they say no, let us give the vaccines, and then they say we cannot manage it, Modi ji आप manage करो. Then they play politics and they say Modi ji बच्चों की वैक्सीन विदेश भेज दी. Then they say बछड़े का खून है वैक्सीन में. One person said बीजेपी की वैक्सीन है, the other person said impotency होता है. Nobody is doing that kind of politics, least of all Mr. Mansukh Bhai Mandavia. He is committed to the cause of public health in this country, and you have seen him work day and night for ramping up infrastructure. Today I am proud to say that we have adequate number of beds, adequate number of drugs, adequate amount of oxygen. It is because of his efforts, and he has been leading this team India, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is guiding.